Good morning, everybody. We're gonna go to the Sheboygan Walmart and get a new detachable shower head because the one that I had since 2007 finally fell apart, so we need a new one. I was gonna order one off Walmart.com, but that stuff takes forever. We might as well just get out of the house, go for a ride, and go get one and not have to wait for it to come in the mail. Right?
Wrong. You know, taking people's pictures without permission is bad.
This is not a picture.
Moving picture.
So?
Well, there you go. Still a picture.
By becoming a vlogger, you gave me permission almost a year ago.
No.
Yeah, uh-huh.
You stole that permission.
No.
Without permission.
I asked you if you wanted to vlog, and you said yes. So, ha.
Prove it. You can't, so ha.
Whatever. So I made sure everybody had food, and Tug's gonna stay in the house because that guy just rode his bike past again. So we don't need him causing trouble because Tug barks at him when he goes by. He was tied up, but yeah, he barked at him. So we don't need that guy to be like, oh God, I'm calling the cops, the dog barked at me. And everybody over here is eating and drinking. Even the little kittens, they eat now. Even though it looks like they're having a hard time trying to chew that. Yeah, Dottie. I don't think everybody's here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 2 missing. Oh. 5. I don't know where number 6 is, but I'm sure he or she is around. Look, this one's learning how to chase his tail. Hey, Tug. You gonna stay home and be a good boy? You gonna eat your food and be scared of these little kittens? I can't believe you're scared of little kittens. He doesn't know what to think about that big fluffy tail wagging at him and beating on him. So here we are in Walmart, and this is some of the stuff we're gonna get. And he's up there. What are you looking for?
Just looking, because I'm waiting on you for you to take it forever.
I had to find a good water bottle. Make sure I drink water.
Well, no, you're just typical female. They have to browse.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All women browse.
Whatever.
They always have to look at everything.
No.
No. Oh.
We're done in Walmart, but we decided to stop here and check out this toy store I keep seeing. Over there. So we'll see if it's any good and see if we can get across the road.
Where's the rubber band?
Right next to it.
Yeah, just all of them.
Right there, right?
Yep.
Right there.
You're going to talk about these.
Yeah.
About making them.
Oh, yeah, it's just I don't really carry like the older kid stuff, but I can always.
Yeah.
$7.
I want to get something cool. Maybe something kind of intellectual or whatever. Like you build a scorpion, but $18. It would probably be hard. I'd get mad. So this is what I decided to get, a black paper sketchbook, so I can use like the light colored pencils on it and do some of the things I've seen people do on DeviantArt. And then people keep talking about these adult coloring books, and they had those in there. So I decided to give one of those a try. Might be pretty cool. Pretty crazy looking. Looks like it'll take a while to do each one. It's supposed to relieve stress and stuff. And there's a wolf in here somewhere. Oh, here's a phoenix. I thought that was cool. That's why I chose this one, because it was pretty cool. They had lots of different ones. Somewhere is a wolf. Oh yeah, right there. A wolf. So that's pretty cool. And now I'm gonna eat the sandwich that I got from Speedway up there and drink the iced coffee. And we're gonna go home. There was a geocache that we were gonna look for in Black River, on Black River Road, but it keeps raining harder and harder, so we might have to wait on that. Alright, it quit raining, so we decided to come and try to find this geocache here at the UAW entrance, which is over there, this weird gate where I don't know if anybody's even allowed in there. I think it's just the people that live in there. But trying to follow the dot to it. Follow the, yeah. It's cold out here.
Yeah.
Trying to see if this line is getting shorter. Oh, you know what? I don't think we're going the right way. Oh wait, maybe we are. Okay. Is the line getting shorter?
I don't know. You're the one that's looking at it.
We might have to go the other way. Yeah, I think it's getting longer. Let's try this way. We're looking for that geocache.
They removed that geocache about 2 years ago, guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, because according to this, somebody found it on July 10th in here. Oh. Oh, well, alright.
Alright. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what we was in here looking for. Was the geocache.
Yeah, apparently it says that it was last found on July 10th, 2015. So I don't know what they found, but I guess it wasn't that.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, I'm going to definitely put a note on it and say that it's gone. Yeah, I don't know what they said they found, but...
Yeah, he said they took it out of here
2 years ago?
2 years ago.
But yeah, it says right there, last found July 10th,
What year?
2015. So, somebody's full of crap. Might be him. I don't know. There's supposed to be one right here. We are lined right up with it. And it's supposed to be another magnetic one, but we're not seeing anything yet. That's a lunch meat thing. A bunch of garbage. Now, your Mike wants to know. He said, "I just drove by you guys. Is everything okay?" Yes. Yeah, Mike LaFave. Yes, we're fine.
You saying something?
Yeah. Yeah, it says we're right on top of it, but
All that, I don't see nothing.
Yeah, it's definitely the sign, because there's a picture of the sign here. But there isn't, I can't find anything. We can't find anything. Huh. Oh well. I guess sometimes people just take them away or whatever. We're not having a lot of luck today. Oh, and we know that guy at the UAW gate was lying to us, because that one has been found several times recently. He just wanted us out of there, so that guy was just an asshole, and we'll just avoid that one. Trying one more time because it's crappy cold out here. This is by the high school, which is up there and you can't see it, but it's supposed to be right over here, a small match container. And you found it? Okay.
Most likely just gotta sign it. Yeah.
Well, at least we weren't a complete freaking failure today like I thought we were going to be. First we get kicked out of one place, and then the other one we couldn't find it.
There.
It looks like not many people have found this. What, 3 people?
Well, I figure what?
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah,
3
3
people.
different dates. But it's all this year though.
Yeah. Must be new. Go ahead.
Yeah.
And I'll use my phone as a writing thing again. Okay. Kind of a crappy, cold, rainy day to be doing this, but we wanted to do it.
Like, not fold it up this big piece of paper and fold it up small enough. Not fold this big piece up
There's
smaller.
looks like there's one more on the back of here. So
Oh, yep. Here, I was just gonna say you're gonna have to take something here.
What was it, hanging on something? Oh yeah, there's a nail.
Broke.
You broke it?
Well, it was because of how badly rusted it is.
Oh well. But yep, right here, Onaway Area Community Schools. This is where we both went to school. I guess if you wanted to, you could drive up there and around and we can show them the school since you're faced in that direction anyway. Right?
Oh, yeah?
And then go out the other driveway. Because, you know, we were always telling you guys that we went to school together. Well, this is where we went to school together.
There.
At least this one was easy to find after 2 failures. I'm sure we could have found the one by the UAW, but the guy was a prick.
There. That's where it was. That's where it was. Hanging around that nail.
Yeah. So 1 success today anyway. Alright, so here it is. And that's a cabin they built after I quit going to school here. And the football field, little football field. And this is the high school part. And they built this library, which was not there when I was there. It was there, but it was really little. And you come across this way. Do you want to use the bathroom in there?
I was just thinking about it.
Alright, well I guess that we can go in. The elementary is over there.
Yeah.
But Don and I do not have fond memories of this place because we were bullied like crazy here and it was absolutely ridiculous. So that wasn't fun. But there's the elementary and school is out, but they're still open, so he'll be able to find the bathroom. And I haven't been in here since 1994 when Melanie graduated, so it might be pretty interesting. Well, the gym's in the same place. And there was a bathroom there before. But I'm pretty sure it was a girls' bathroom. There used to be a bathroom. No, this is a room that used to take me in for counseling. That's the cafeteria. That didn't change. Down that way is the elementary. Down that way is the high school. Do we want to walk? Can we walk down that way?
Yeah, the elementary pretty much really didn't change.
Yeah, I wanted to see what they did down here. Because according to what I understand, they really changed the high school.
Oh yeah. I don't know. We'll be able to get all the way down there.
The gate's not closed all the way, it's only closed halfway. So there's the new library. I used to be a library assistant, but they built a whole new library.
You see they got the trophy gates down through here now.
Yeah, that's not where they used to be.
Old study hall. It's not a study hall anymore though.
Yeah.
Two separate rooms now.
Huh.
The secretary.
Yeah.
She still works here.
Oh, wow. I thought Miss Kimmy was the last one we knew to leave.
Well, I know that the old principal secretary, for the high school.
Watch out, don't trip on that thing.
Murray Vince is the principal.
Yeah, which is weird because we went to school with him. This was the part where I saw pictures online and it confused me.
Yeah, he did. And if you walk around the streets in front of us,
Yeah.
another wing that goes straight
Yeah,
out
which
that
there
way.
didn't used to be. There was offices.
Yeah. And this wasn't opened up with this right here either.
No, there used to be lockers there and lockers there. Hey, what? So an aquarium with no fish? I sure don't see fish. Do you?
Oh, there's one.
Where?
I do now.
Oh,
Right
okay.
in the middle. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, that wasn't there before. But that was the junior high wing. What is it now? Same thing?
Considered as middle school now. Junior high when we went here.
Junior high and middle school are the same thing.
It's,
And that was high school.
It's 6th grade through 8th grade, I think it is.
Oh,
or
well, they
6th
used to have
or
6th
7th
grade in the elementary.
Yeah, it's not anymore. Pretty much the same down in here besides just that little part there.
Well, sure brings back memories. I want to go around where the wood shop and the art room used to be. See, somebody said something about they got rid of it, the art room, or changed it or something.
No, I can't see that part.
But for like 4 years, I've been wanting to come in here and check this out and see how it changed, and I didn't think I'd ever have the chance. But now I'm actually doing it.
How you doing?
Good.
Help you find somebody?
No, we're just checking out.
Just checking out the school since it's been remodeled.
Yeah,
Oh,
'cause
okay.
I used to go to school here, but I haven't been in here since 1993, and I haven't seen any of these changes. Like, there used to be a classroom there. That wasn't like that.
Right, there was a, yep, when I got here, there was a class, the art room was here, and the band room and the bathrooms and the counseling center was not on.
Wow.
Yeah, because when we went
Yeah.
here, that none of this was even here when we was here.
Right.
Yeah, the art room used to be down there.
Yep, well, there's
So-
still an art room there,
Yeah.
but that was graphic arts, that was there when I got here, like computer stuff,
Yeah.
but if I remember right, but the regular art room was here,
Yeah.
so.
But yeah, we were just curious about everything that changed. I mean, I've been hearing about it for years, but I lived in Alpena for 17 years, and now I'm back in the area, so
Oh, okay,
yeah. We just
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
we'd check it out.
yeah,
Yeah.
lots of changes.
Yeah, I see that.
definitely.
So that was the art room.
Yeah, was the art room.
And this is not very good art, I'm sorry to say. What the heck? That's okay, but some of this stuff, it looks like elementary school stuff. That's kind of cool.
We'll come and get you when we start drilling, okay?
This is the cafeteria, it's all closed up.
Warm in here.
Wasn't it always? That's the stage, and it actually connects all the way over to the cafeteria, unless they changed, I mean the gym, unless they changed it.
As far as I know, they didn't.
So did you want to do the elementary?
I don't got to.
Yeah. Kind of tired of being asked questions.
Yeah.
I was only curious about the high school part.
Yeah. Well,
Now I know, so. So Don calls this taking our other driveway.
it is.
Driving on this 2-track along the power lines. And it comes out behind the house.
Drive right into the yard.
Yeah. It's bumpy.
Oh, faster?
No! Hey! Holy crap! Quit it! Wow! Stop! Stop! Holy crap! Quit it! Come on, quit!
Oh, faster?
No, quit! You're crazy!
What's wrong, Matt?
Oh! Come on! You're gonna hit the trees! Ah! Holy crap! I'm gonna puke. Stop!
Poor Tino.
You're nuts! Now where are you going?
Just driving around like a babbling idiot.
I
Where are you going?
I don't know, you're gonna hit the house.
Oh, well.
Wow!
Knock the piece of shit over.
Thanks for the heart attack.
Oh, you want to do it again?
No!
My fastest coming down through there was 55 miles an hour.
Oh,
Not today either, though.
yeah?
Yeah, but that was my fastest.
Oh,
55 and that.
yeah?
In the Dodge.
Well, I'm gonna go check the mail. And it's dinner time. Ribs and corn and baked potatoes with some juices from the ribs on it. See?
So time we cook something.
Oh. And I bought a new water bottle today, so I can hopefully remember to drink water. And this, it looks like it's broken or whatever, but that's gel stuff that you put in the freezer and then it keeps your water cold. And Don got a new drill, which is over here. He's too busy eating to tell you about it, but he's happy about it.
Oh, yeah? All right.
Yeah. You said you were. The vlog is plenty long enough for today, so we're going to go ahead and say goodnight, and we hope that you enjoyed the video, and you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night.
Good morning. Enjoy it.
Yeah. And after dinner, I'm going to ride the bike, and then try to color one of those things in the coloring book, and then, who knows, by then it might be time to go to bed. So, bye. Oh, he's too busy chewing on food.